Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Sadia. I'm back with a video to show you how to do your foundation using KOALD Cosmetics. So I already did my brows, so we're just gonna go with the face. For this look, I wanted a dewy looking foundation, so I am using BECCA's Shimmering Illuminator. Now I'm putting that on my cheeks. Now you can use this product before foundation application or even after. Also, don't forget, if you want to see my brow video, I have that posted on an earlier video. Just trying to buff out those lines to kind of make this smooth. Alright, what's up next is KOALD Cosmetics Cream Foundation Stick in the color Golden Beige. And this foundation is full coverage. It's actually, if you want to do light coverage, it's up to you. Today I was going a little heavy. I think I was having fun doing tribal markings on my face. And let me be clear, don't judge my edges. Y'all know we in this quarantine. Maybe I need to do a video, or maybe y'all can give me some tips on how to hold my edges down. Okay, the brush that I just used is from Sephora. It is an angle foundation brush. I'm actually liking it. It gets around the eyes really well and in the inner corner. If you find, like, once you're trying to move your foundation around your face, don't be afraid to use like a hydrating spray either on your face or on the brush, and that will help move the foundation like butter. Itchy. Oh, I kind of went too far with the spray. Use the spray, but don't spray it in your nose, ladies. So again, once you rub the foundation in, you kind of want to do pats just to kind of smooth out any lines that you may have. Get around those brows. Now, I don't know what happened, y'all. Right on my forehead, I have a line there. I tried a lace front wig. Y'all, it burnt a line in my forehead. So now I have a natural contour there. Now, in a later video, you'll see me do a contour where I get right up against my hairline. Y'all, this is one of my faves right now. It's this Too Faced concealer. I found this at Ulta, and I think it's like $27 a tube. I absolutely love it. Now, I wanted this look to be a dewy look, but I wanted it to be like a comfortable everyday look. So I'm not going crazy with the highlighter. I'm just kind of going underneath my eye. Now, I'm looking around because I'm looking for my little bitty blender that I love under my eye. I could not find it. So I had to use this big old thing. It's too big. I had to kind of switch it up and go back to my little handy dandy brush from Sephora. They actually had a nice brush sale where you could buy one and get one half off. So that was pretty good, pretty dope. I love the way this brush hooks right along just the corners or up under my eyes. It's just a bomb. Broke down, so I'm just reapplying. I'm over here looking nice and luminous, as if I was going out on a nice summer day, but I'm staying in the house. So right now I'm just using this brush to melt the concealer and my foundation in, so you can't see where I ended that concealer line. This is KOALD Cosmetics Translucent Powder. Now look, this is mine. And you see some of my foundation in there. So don't judge me. That's my personal compact. Again, with that same brush, using this translucent powder, I'm focusing in on the inside of my face because I want to keep around and under my eyes and down my nose and around my mouth looking matte. And around my cheek area, I'm not going to really fool with this powder too much because I still want to have that dewy, luminous look. Y'all, soon as I get out the quarantine, I'm running to get my brows done. I could do my own brows. I just don't want to. I feel spoiled. I'm going to get my hair washed and I'm going to get my brows threaded. That's what I'm doing. And probably eat some crab legs. So again, just taking that powder mainly down the center of my face to keep it matte and keeping the rest of my face dewy. So this is Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I am finished. I hope you like this foundation routine. Join me tomorrow for contour. All right, diamonds. Bye.